Get one!
Strawberry shortcake!
Wow! Okay, get it. You want me to help? Okay, more. More Hannah Montana stuff?
Yeah!
Yeah. What is it?
Lots of pet shops.
Yeah?
Yeah, lots of pet shops.
Lots of pet shops. Okay, open.
First, get this big Hannah Montana present out. Lots of Hannah presents.
Oh, what's in it?
Hey!
A Hannah Montana suitcase. Wow! What's inside? What's inside? Let's see. What is this? Hannah Montana karaoke. Wow. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Huh?
Oh, Mommy, look!
Wow, a shoe. That's a lot of stuff.
Candies.
Oh,
Chocolates.
there's so many of
Oh,
them.
Mommy, look! That's my cat.
Let's put. Oh,
Mommy's my cat.
it's your cat from Toronto. Here, put all the candy stuff here. The surprises.
Mommy, look at this.
Oh, wow. There's a lot of stuff.
Oh, another shoe. Another shoe, Mom.
Wow.
There's sweaters
Oh, there is a lot of shoe that Papa bought, eh?
Oh,
Oh, there's another one. Oh my God.
Oh,
It's too many. Huh.
Mommy,
Oh.
give me a
Let's
belt.
put everything in the backpack.
Mommy, can you give me lots of clothes for me
Huh?
to wear?
Yeah.
Hey, give me a Hannah Montana. Why
Oh
not?
wow, Hannah Montana blouse, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at this. Remember you want this?
Yeah.
See, we don't need to buy them because you have one. A ring.
Ring.
And what's this, do you think?
My ring.
What is it?
It's a wig.
Oh, a Hannah Montana wig. Wow, this is beautiful.
Open it.
Open it.
Open it.
Open it. It's a lot of surprises. Oh, wow.
It's a wig.
It is a Hannah Montana wig. Wow. Wow. You want to try them on?
Yeah.
Okay. Oopsie. Here. Let me. You're gonna be a Hannah Montana. It's kind of hard to put. You have big head. Look at this. Hannah Montana. You get the best of both worlds. See cheese in the camera. Say cheese. Hannah Montana. Say cheese, Hannah Montana.
Mommy, look at this